Looking for reliable furnace replacement? Jenkintown, Pennsylvania homeowners trust? PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning delivers professional, energy-efficient furnace replacement services designed to keep your home warm, safe, and comfortable all winter long. If your current system is outdated, making strange noises, or driving up energy bills, our experienced technicians will assess your needs and install a high-performance unit that fits your home and budget. We work with top-quality equipment, ensure proper airflow, and optimize system efficiency for long-term savings. From removal of your old furnace to expert installation and testing, PJ Mac provides smooth, dependable service you can count on. Call us today. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a furnace replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. Is furnace replacement better than repair? If repair costs are high or your system is aging, furnace replacement is often more cost-effective long-term. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning helps you avoid repeated breakdowns and expensive emergency fixes. What types of systems are available during furnace replacement? Options for furnace replacement include gas furnaces, electric models, and high-efficiency systems. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning helps select the right system for your home size and comfort needs. What is your service office for furnace replacement? Jenkintown, Pennsylvania. Our local furnace replacement Jenkintown, Pennsylvania office has served Jenkintown, Ardsley, North Hills, Orland, Lavrock, Windmore, Glenside, Flowertown, Wyncote, West Oak Lane, Elkins Park, Rockledge, Fox Chase, Meadowbrook, Abington, Noble, Stenton, Cedarbrook, La Motte, Cheltenham, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 814 Greenwood Avenue, number 101, Jenkintown, Pennsylvania 19046. Our phone number is 610-672-3045. Visit our website, https://peachmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning service Jenkintown/.